Hello everybody and welcome to another one of my videos. Today I'm going to be making for you stuffed dumplings my style, how I make them, and I hope you like this video. So I'm going to now show you the ingredients what we're going to be using for today, and we're going to show you the process. Right, so our ingredients what we're going to be using for today is some baking powder and salt. We've got some tomatoes, we've got some onions, which is chopped onions, we've got a mixture of all-purpose seasoning, garlic, salt, some mixed herbs and black pepper. We've got some sausage meat, and we've got our flour and some water. So we're going to get on with this now, and on our cooker we've got a frying pan with some oil in it, and then we've got another bigger frying pan with the oil what we're going to be using for frying. So we're going to just light up this fire meanwhile. And you want this on a medium heat. And in this bowl now, we've got our flour. We're going to put our baking powder and our salt in there. And we're just going to give that a quick stir through. And then we're going to start to add our water to this. So this is our dumpling mixture what I'm doing now. Once you got it to a certain stage, then you want to get you're going to get your hands in there, so make sure your hands are clean. Just going to bring everything together till you get a stiff ball. So that's our dumpling mixture. That's how you want it, just leave it in a bowl. So we've got our oil to where we want it now, and we're going to add our sausage meat into that. And this you can break it up a bit. This is just to get it a little bit cooked through. So all you're doing is just putting a bit of colour on it like that. Right, so we've got that nicely browning off, and we're going to add our seasonings to it. Just give that a little shake to incorporate them. and just sprinkle that over it. So don't think you have to cook this all the way through. It doesn't have to cook all the way through because it's going to get another second cook as well. So meanwhile that's frying off, we're just going to slice our tomatoes. You want them in slices. So you just disregard the top bit. I would usually do this on a chopping board, but just to save a bit of time. But I'm being very careful because these knives are like razor blades. So that's our tomatoes. Back to our sausage meat. You can see that's coming along nicely now. So we're just putting some colour on this and we'll be back with you. Right, so we've got it to where we almost want it. We're just going to add our onions in there to soften them up a bit. Right, so we've got our onions to where we almost want them, and we're just going to take this off the heat now. Right. So we've got our large frying pan on the fire, which we've just filled with some oil. So we're just waiting for that to heat up, and then we're going to show you the rest of the process. Right, so we've got our flour. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to break off about a ball full like that. So you want about that much. To just roll it to incorporate it a bit. Then you want to start to flatten it. Without tearing it. And what you're going to do, you're going to put one slice of your tomato on. Right, so we're going to put our tomato on. Then we're going to put some of our mixture. Try to pull it to one side so you can get the oil out of it. So you don't want too much oil in there. Then you're just going to put some of your mixture on there like that. Then we've got another flat piece we're going to put over it. We're going to squeeze the sides together. don't worry if a little bit of oil is coming out, but just make sure that they're properly sealed together. If you have to roll up the sides, just roll it up and press. Then you're going to put that into your hot oil. So you've got your bit of thing, you roll it and press it down, get as flat as you can. And you get another piece. About the same length. You do the same with that. Don't know if our fire's a bit too high. So that is the process what we're going to be using. Just take a little bit. So you've got a tomato in the centre. Then we're going to put some of our mixture. I'm going to put another one on top. Start bringing the sides together. So when these are done, then we'll come back to you and show you what they look like. Right, so we've got these coming along nicely now. You can see they're nice and golden brown. Just going to flip them over. You might be thinking this is a lot of oil in there, but they're going to be drained off again. They're going to go in the oven for a few minutes as well. So as you can see, they're nice and golden brown. Right, so we've got them out of the frying pan now. As you can see, they're nice and golden brown. So we're just going to put them in the oven for about 5 minutes just to get the bit of the oil out. We've got some greaseproof paper and some kitchen paper to soak up any excess oil, and then we'll be back with you. Right, so we've left them in the oven for about 5 minutes, so we're just going to take them out now. And that's how they look. And we're just going to plate one up so I can show you what it looks like on a plate. So we plated one up. So this is how it looks on the plate. We put it with a little bit of the stuffing and some applesauce. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please remember to like, share and subscribe. Tell a friend to tell a friend. And if you want to leave a comment, please leave a comment in the comment section. We do get back to you. And thanks for watching this one. We'll see you on the next one.